Welcome to the video guide on using the minimum order quantity module. This tool is designed to streamline your product ordering process and ensure you are in control of quantities in every transaction. Join us as we explore the simple steps to manage minimum order quantity and enhance your overall e-commerce experience. Once the module is successfully installed, head to the Modules and Extensions tabs in your website's admin area. Locate the minimum order quantity module in the list and activate the module by toggling the option. Now, let's head over to the Products Catalog and Products Brands Categories tab. Select the product you want to configure. Now that we're in the product editing page, select the Main Details tab. In the Details section, locate the field where you can set the minimum quantity of a product to purchase within a single order. Then enter your preferred value and save it. And there you have it. Managing minimum order quantity is as simple as that. With the minimum order quantity module, you're equipped to take charge of your inventory, prevent overselling, and ensure a smooth order fulfillment process. Stay tuned for more e-commerce tips and tricks, and don't forget to like and subscribe for future updates. Thank you for watching and happy managing.